Welcome and thanks for being here to learn about the new features in ODT Service 10.0. Today we're going to hear from Kyle Lavery, who works in quality assurance here at Open Door. I'll now hand the time over to Kyle.
Thank you very much, Mindy. Hello, everyone, and again, welcome to our presentation on ODT Service version 10.0. We've got a couple exciting new features we're going to show off for you today. So before we begin, just a quick blurb about myself. As Mindy mentioned, I'm part of the quality assurance testing team. I've been working here at Open Door Technology for about the last 3.5 years. Most of that time has been spent working with the Service app, but I have also assisted with the Rentals app as well. So our agenda for today, we're going to be showing off 3 new features from this release. First, we'll be demoing the warranty feature. Then I will be showing off the apply maintenance expense functionality. Finally, I will demonstrate how to automatically create service units. And then we'll have a brief discussion about some new features coming later and a question period at the end. So the first feature we'll show off is our new warranty functionality. This allows you to define warranty policies for manufacturers and individual service units. You can then process discounts on service tickets based on the warranty you specify. And of course, it's all tracked under service unit history, so you can go back at any time and view what was done under warranty. So in order to use the warranty functionality, there are a couple of setups we have to do first. So under this new warranty tab here, we have 2 different menus. Warranty types is some simple names for the different warranty types you wish to have. In this case, I have 2, one for general and one for a powertrain warranty. Our other menu here, the warranty policy list, is where we create our warranty policies. Creating a warranty is fairly simple. You give it a name, you assign vendors, manufacturers. You select a policy effective date, so the date the warranty starts to become effective. Then we have our policy lines. So the type matches up with the warranty type I just showed a moment ago. Line effective date, same as policy effective date. Then we have our coverage usage and usage of measurement. This relates to service unit meters. This specifies a value where the warranty will only apply if the unit is within this particular usage. So for example, for our general warranty line here, this warranty will only apply if the unit in question is within 100,000 kilometers or less. It does not have to be kilometers. You can set that to other things such as miles, hours, days, and so on, and you can specify that as you wish. Next, we have coverage duration, simply how long until this warranty expires. So in this example, our general will expire after 2 years. And then we have coverage percentage. So what kind of discount will be applied when service is performed under warranty? As you can see, you can have multiple different lines for multiple different warranty policies. So you can customize that however you see fit. Moving on, we will go to our service unit. Under the related tab, we have a service unit warranties page. To create a warranty, you simply select the policy number that you created earlier, and it will automatically populate the policy lines for you. So as you can see, we have the exact same information from the warranty I just demoed a moment ago. From here, if you wish to make any changes, you may. Otherwise, the policy has been assigned and you can close the card. One last bit of setup we need to do. Under our service templates, you will see we have a new field here for warranty type. This is where you specify what type of warranty these lines will be covered under. You can set them all to be the same. You can also set them to be different, as I have here. Or of course, if it's not something that would be covered under warranty, you can not assign a warranty at all. So you again, free to decide that as you wish. So now that all our setups are done, I'll demonstrate how to process a warranty. So I have a service ticket here with our service unit from a moment ago, as well as the oil change template I just showed off a moment ago. At the very end of the ticket lines, we have this new checkbox for is warrantable. So if the service is being covered under warranty, you simply check off this box, and you'll notice the total price field here changed. And it changed based on discounts that we specified on the warranty earlier. So once you turn that on, you can simply process the ticket as normal. So I will quickly do that. All right, and now that our ticket has been processed, we can mark it as complete. From here, if we go back to our service unit and open up our service unit history page, we'll see there is a new entry. And from here, we can view the completed ticket, and you can see the service that was performed, as well as the indicator that this was done under warranty. So that is our warranty functionality. Next, I'm going to show off our apply maintenance expense feature. This allows you to post service costs back to a fixed asset that has been linked to the unit. And from there, you can go to the fixed asset and view details on service that was performed. All right, so the setup for this functionality is quite simple. You just need to have a service unit that has a fixed asset that has been linked to it, like so. Units that do not have a fixed asset linked, of course, will not work. So from here, we'll open up a service ticket. And as you can see, we have our service unit already here, along with a service template for replacing the air filter. So in order to apply the maintenance expense, we have this toggle in our header. Simply turn that on, and you'll notice the checkbox on the ticket lines here has also been turned on. So if we had multiple lines, we could use this to specify which ones will be maintenance expense and which ones will not. For demonstration purposes today, I will just be doing the one line. So to apply the maintenance expense, first we must confirm actuals. Then under the Actions tab at the top here, we have our Apply Maintenance Expense action. So we'll select that and say yes. And now our maintenance has been applied. We open up our fixed asset list. Open up our pickup truck and view statistics. We can see there's a couple values that have been changed here. If we just drill down onto those values into the fixed asset ledger entries, you'll see we can drill down and very easily see that maintenance was performed on this unit, and that is where the cost has come from. All right, so that is our Apply Maintenance Expense feature. Our last feature to show off today will be automatically creating service units. This is exactly what it sounds like. It lets you automatically create a service unit upon either selling or purchasing an item or a fixed asset. So in order to set up this feature, I have a fixed asset I've already created here, and at the very bottom of the card, we have a service tab, and you'll see we have two different options here, one to auto create on sales and one to auto create on purchase. This is how you decide whether a unit will be created, whether you sell the fixed asset item or purchase the fixed asset item. In this case, I've selected purchase. We also have maintenance group code and the manufacturer. Maintenance group in particular is a mandatory field. This is required for many service features, so please make sure you fill this in accordingly. And that is all the steps we need. I will note at this point, for demonstration purposes today, I am doing this with a fixed asset, but both the setup and the processing is the exact same with an item as well. So now that we have done our setup, I will just create a simple purchase order. We will add our fixed asset to the purchase order. And then we will post it. Now that that's done, if we open up our service unit list, and you can see at the very bottom here, we have a brand new service unit for the Bobcat that we just purchased. And you can see it has automatically been linked to that fixed asset. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom here, you can see the maintenance group code has the exact same maintenance group code that we specified on the fixed asset. So very easy way to automatically create service units and save yourself time having to do this manually. So that is all for the features we're going to be demoing today, but of course there are a couple other things being included in this update. Notably, the ability to assign multiple technicians to a single service ticket. And as well, we will also have a couple enhancements to our technician role center that we added in the previous update. In the future, for service 10.1, we will be adding functionality for warranty phase 2, so some additional enhancements and functionality on top of what's been demonstrated today. And we will also be adding functionality for critical service templates. So being able to mark certain types of service as critical and needs to be done immediately. It will be separated into its own list so you can easily identify what is critical. And it will automatically mark service units as inactive if the service is not performed in time.
Thanks, Carl, for that great presentation. It was good to see those new features. If you require more personalized assistance, I encourage you to email us at hi@opendorerp.com, and you can book a free consult with one of our experts. Thanks again to Carl for a great presentation, and thank you for joining us today. Have a great day, everyone.